Today we're going to be going over how to turn off the Force Vend setting for your EX2000 coin op. This will allow you to get your change back without having to make a copy first. When Force Vend is enabled, you won't be able to receive any change using the coin return. Let's change that. On the welcome screen, use the keypad and enter the service pin 73784230, then press enter. To enter service mode, press enter a second time. The screen should read Meters menu. To access the other service menus, insert and turn on the bypass key. Press the forward button until the screen states Setup menu, then press enter. Press forward until you see Delay menu, then press enter. Press forward until the screen reads Force Vend. If your coin op is new out of the box, this should be set to On. Press enter until the cursor flashes on the screen, and then press forward to change the setting to Off. To save your setting, press enter. To leave service mode, press the exit button twice. Press eject and turn the key bypass off. Congrats! You've successfully turned off Force Vend and can now collect your change without having to make a copy.